Hi YouTube, it's Dirty Dems aka Demographics, and welcome to my channel. On this video I'm going to be working on a mural for the NHS. So it's right next to a hospital, so it's the perfect location for it. I'm in full PPE, top to bottom, hard hat down to steel toe cap boots, and I'm going to start by sketching up the design behind me.
Told you, we can tell it to you, Ricky. Can you hear them? Let us spray it. You know our man there, the breath means getting that breath there, see that right?
Right guys, end of day 2 on the NHS wall, and I've got half the Spitfire filled in. We've neatened up around the outside of the sketches, the blue. I've got the helicopter, so air ambulance is filled in. So that's completed pretty much. Maybe a little few details later on, but yeah, we're making good progress for day 2. End of day 3. Got most of the ambulance filled in. I've just left a few details for day 4. Had some details on the ambulance. Got the Spitfire filled in. So yeah, we're getting there. That's day 3. Day 4, I'm going to start the doctor's ambulance, and maybe if I have time do a little bit of the Lister Hospital. But getting there. End of day 4. We've got most of the doctor's ambulance car blocked in, and we've got the ambulance over there. So we're getting there gradually. Day 5, I'm going to add some detail to the car and maybe some more detail to the ambulance, and then do the Lister Hospital in the heart. So yeah, final push for this week tomorrow. Yeah, so tomorrow we're going to give it a big push and try and get as much work done on this side of the wall, and we'll be good for next week. Next week I'm going to come back and do this side. This side is mostly ribbon. It's going to be rainbow ribbon, and there's going to be some rainbow ribbon going through this side, tying the whole subway together. So I've lost track of the days. Day 5, I've managed to do some of the details on the doctor's car. I've filled in the Lister Hospital inside the heart ribbon, and I've coloured the ribbon all the way through, and also done the wheels on the ambulance. But yeah, I had to take about a week out as I contracted COVID, and I was very ill, very sick. I thought I was going to die. I had a violent cough. I was coughing so hard my ribs were hurting, and I developed like a cyst lump in my pelvic area, in the fold between my inner thigh, and it got quite sore and big. That burst, and then I was bleeding for about a day, just all the crap coming out of it, and I've been on antibiotics and keeping that area clean from infection. But yeah, I've been very, very ill. I've come back today. This is the first day I've been feeling better to get this wall completed. Pretty much completed now, and then I'm going to crack on with this one, get the ribbon all coloured in. It should be a lot simpler, and just a few little cartoon characters in the heart, and then it's job done. Off. So that's it, guys. We've reached the end of the video. Got the thank you ribbon on the wall. Got the characters for the NHS family inside the heart. Yeah, it's very bright. It's definitely one of the most cheerful walls I've worked on. And yeah, just signing off really for 2021. And I'll be back in the new year, beginning of new year, to bring you something new. If you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Peace.